Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust seat in Honda Civic. Start by unlocking the lever under the front of the seat and slide it until you reach a comfortable distance from the pedals. Next, lift or lower the seat using the manual or electric control to set thigh support and sight lines. Finally, adjust the backrest angle and headrest height so you maintain a relaxed posture and clear mirror visibility while driving. Begin by adjusting the backrest so your shoulders sit comfortably and your spine retains its natural curve. Engage the lumbar control to provide gentle support to the lower back and reduce fatigue on longer drives. Make small adjustments and test drive briefly to confirm comfort. Keep your elbows slightly bent while gripping the wheel and ensure you can reach all controls without stretching, which improves control and reduces strain. After seating adjustments, set mirrors to complement your new position for optimal visibility and fewer blind spots. The side mirrors should show the car edge and nearby lanes, while the rearview mirror frames the rear window fully. Raise or lower the headrest so its center aligns with the back of your head to help prevent whiplash. Make small tweaks to mirror angles after a short test drive to lock in the best view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.